Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Horinga.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for APL APOLLO. APL APOLLO is the ticker name too. These people are into into manufacturing pipes and tubes. Okay, what you are watching is the monthly technical chart of APL APOLLO, and this is a historical price chart, and each candle here represents 1 month. And these are all the technical indicators and the respective graphs generated for the stock to do the technical analysis. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern of the stock, okay, I'm taking this point as origin, December 2013. Okay, after December 2013, the stock started moving in the upward direction, continuously making new highs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and right now the stock is in the consolidation phase. Guys, since 2013, the stock had been continuously moving in the upward direction and had already formed a consistent path pattern, which it is repeating. Okay, consistently 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times so far, and every time after going a new high, it is going into consolidation phase. And again, no, you can the movement is very transparent and uncomplicated and easy to understand. And after every consolidation, the stock is moving in the upward direction only, and it is not breaking the sideway movement, neither are any range bound movement or whatever. So that's very good. I mean, actually, this is what we want as an investor. Now, this stock is had already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average, and it is under the influence of positive super trend mode. Very good. And relative strength of the stock is already peaking up. You can clearly see that it is making a nice slope on top of the 80 line, and yeah, and it is increasing. The strength is increasing right now, and that you can clearly see that. Seeing looking at the angle that the slope is making with the top 80 line, you can clearly see that. And direction strength of the stock is rising. Okay, good. And both positive and negative direction lines are creating huge space between them. That's good. Another point. Stochastics, okay, is just playing around the baseline, and we can to see the stochastics. Yeah, just now the trend has changed. I mean the positive trend, and it is though the stock is in consolidation phase. Here we are seeing a positive trend. Actually, this here when a stock is in consolidation phase, its price has to go down. And we see a red candle normally here. That is what in the last 400 videos what I created. I am seeing such kind of there is a regular site that I came across, and here the stochastics normally, the trend is also showing that the slow line is on top of the fast line like that. But here it is clear that the stochastics is in sync with the positive trend that is happening here, and the fast line is on top of the slow line, and both are diverging. It indicates that though the stock is in consolidation phase, it is like it has a lot of strength to move in the upward direction. So I'm pretty sure that once this consolidation phase is over, the stock will move in the upward. I mean, will resume its previous path pattern, and will resume its movement in the its trend in the upward direction. And if you look at the momentum is playing on top of the baseline. That's very good. And if you look at the tip of the momentum, it is coming down. So right now, maybe due to the consolidation phase, the stock, I mean, the momentum is a little bit down, but it is at the benchmark level. That's good. Price volume change, more or less, I am seeing a constant. This thing, see, it is moving in slabs. Okay, up to this point, one one rise and another point like this. Okay. Now, after April 2017, we are not seeing much, any more spikes here. But the volume is, the rise in the volume is there, but it is very light. Okay. And balance of power and elder ray both are in sync with each other, and both are telling us that the stock is in a bullish zone, pretty much clear. And Kopak curve is clearly showing that the stock is in buy zone, and the momentum is slightly good. Okay, good. Okay, if you consider all these guiding points, now we are getting a we are getting a picture, like except for the momentum, remaining all are playing good. I mean, remaining all are all guiding points are throwing good signals. Momentum is also good, but at the moment, the range at which it is playing right now is good, but we are not sure if it comes down rapidly. Then then the impact of momentum will become less on the stock, right? So that sort of thing happens, but at this moment it's okay, but its direction is looking towards the downside, so that is the only cause of concern right now. So that is one particular thing. And if you look at the direction strength, both positive and negative direction lines are converging right now. You can clearly see that here, right? Okay, at the moment it is rising, it's okay, but these two are very very important rather than this one. Okay, so these two, based on this only this thing happens. So these two at the moment are conversing. So that is one particular thing. I think because of consolidation only this is happening. uh, and there is one more thing to concern. uh, if you The space between them is still too large. Okay, that means even it is not that the space has had been both the lines, both positive and negative direction lines have converged, have come very closely, and the space has also decreased considerably. It's not like that. The space is still large. The space is, you can clearly see that, and the space between the two lines I'm talking about, it is still large, and and the direction strength is literally playing on top of the benchmark right now. I mean, literally nearby the benchmark. So this is what is the status of the stock. So as for me, based on this price spot pattern and the guiding points written by the technical indicators, even in the during the consolidation phase, make me feel like this particular stock can be considered for medium and long term investment. So this is my conclusion regarding the stock, because I'm seeing strong signals from everywhere, and even in during the consolidation phase, and the path movement, I mean the price path movement of the stock is also very good, transparent, smooth, and without any complications. That's what we want. And but it is a slow pace rising stock. You can clearly see that. Let's see actually in 2017 how much it has how much benefit it has given to its investors. Yeah, in 2017, the stock was playing. Oh god, it is trading at 960, and today the stock is trading at 1861, nearly double. In 2017 itself, it doubled its value. I mean, this thing, 900 become 1800. Okay, 9 to 18, right? So roughly, I'm saying 900 become 1800. So whoever has invested here, definitely they might have got benefited in a large way. And still, people who had not invested, this is the right time for you to invest. And then, I mean, you can consider for investment. I'm not saying you invest. Okay, you can consider for investment, because this is a good, looks like a good stock, and the trading guiding points are also good at the moment. So that is the conclusion. This stock can be considered for medium and long term investments. So that is the conclusion, guys. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.